Okay, so let's open this Triyit box. So if you're new to Triyit, this is available in the UK only, and it's a product testing box. So anyone can sign up. You don't have to be on Instagram, YouTube or whatever, but it will help if you are, but it doesn't matter how many followers you have. They just want you to try the products inside this box, give a little review. You have a questionnaire to fill in about a week after receiving your box, and also if you take photos, you share it on your socials, then you can win prizes. The more you do, the more points you get, the more chance you have of getting another box. But you don't have to. So it just tells you all about the campaign booklet. And yeah, so when you first sign up, you fill in like a little questionnaire. And if your preferences, whatever you've chosen, told them about yourself, etc. If they match you, then you'll be sent an email saying if you'd be interested in receiving their latest box. So this is my third or fourth one I've received in about 2-3 years, something like that. So no, well worth signing up, well worth it. So what we got here, we've got Idahoan perfect mash, bacon and cheese mash. I have not tried any packet mash. Oh my gosh, not for like 30 odd years. So there's that. Cauliflower crisps. Wow, nudie snacks. Cheese and caramelized onion. I know I'm gonna love that. 101 calories. Oh, I love the sound of that. Ooh. What's this? This is Mike's Hard Seltzer Alcoholic Sparkling Water. Okay, so what is it then? With a hint of natural lime, but alcoholic. What is it? What is the alcohol? Is it, does it say here? Alcoholic Sparkling Water. What is the alcohol? Is it gin? Vodka? Rum? No, it's not. I don't know. Carbonated. Have I read that right? Alcoholic. It definitely doesn't say non-alcoholic, does it? It say alcoholic. Anyway, I'll save that. And then, oh, we had this in the last box I had, but it was a teeny tiny packet. So we've got full. What's the matter? If you can hear dog breathing over my shoulder, is why. What's the matter, babes? You can see something for you, can't you, babes? So we've got here Cheeky Panda biodegradable bamboo cleansing facial wipes. Oh, handy. And all right, then I'll go to his last. Got a little bounce ball there, peanut with protein ball, and something for Maisie. So this is Butcher's Simply Gentle Naturally Meaty Treats Turkey. Okay, let's open them and give one to her then. They look like, I don't know what they are. What are they, Maisie? Do you want one? What do you think? Do you like it? Do you want more? That's what they look like. Do you like it? Is your tail going? Tail wagging. I don't think they're particular. Ooh, you're just going to grab it. Okay. I don't think they're shapes as such. Oh, gone. No more. No more. We can't give you any more. Have some. Ugh, you're slobbering. You obviously like it. You like it. Is that say thanks, Mum, is it? Or come on, Mum, I want more. I want more. No more. Have one later. Say bye-bye. All right then. That's good. Bye-bye.